So I know you're probably wondering how I got here. The path led us down the route less traveled, clearly.
I was putting the last measurement on.
Well, you asked for it.
Here's what we were told to do. Shoot up and walk to the tower. They'll be at the truck in 50 minutes. Here's what we're doing. The truck's over there somewhere, I think. That's right. So, yeah.
Oh yeah. And we're walking. You know, that's definitely the widest shit I've ever done. We can mark that off the list. Yeah.
I get how yours go.
So, how's your day going, goddamn? Just walking, you know, getting my Boy Scout stripes and shit, you know. Like you said, you want to go to the gym, huh? God got jokes. Yeah. Crazy enough. We ain't the first one shit like this done happen. Not the walk part, but running in the ditches and shit happened with the truck. And the crazy shit was, who was on the path? The path led us to the route never traveled. Like that hoe was washed out. Done. Finito. Over with. Kaput.
There's some big ass bathtubs here, and I haven't really got stopped up to identify it. Or even ballpark what it is.
Walk in.
That is so fucking awesome, dude. Where's the buck? All these are doe. A couple young, really young.